Counted up, that bag on me. Walk around with 10 racks on me. I got 2 big stacks and 4 more racks on me. Stay back, boy, I'm loud, I got that pack on me. Way back, any cutie that react to me. Counted up, that bag on me. Counted up, that bag on me. I got 2 big stacks and 4 more racks on me. Counted up, that bag on me. Counted up, that bag on me. I walk around with 10 racks on me. Taz here, oh shit, that nigga play no shit. Killing niggas like COVID, fuck a pussy up like a Trojan. Taz here, I'm running shit, passing hammers out like Odin. Now my pockets look swelled up like 2 black eyes that's swollen. I ride around in a pay whip, you ride around in one stolen. My pack is loud, boy, your pack tiptoeing. I'm the one like Jet Li, you can say I'm chosen. I'm Gucci dog, I'm golden. My chance came, I dove in. Back it up in slow motion, I'm up now, I'm coasting. 2 beans, no dozing, going in like a madman. Ripping out her sew-ins, PayPal my best friend. Pole cards I'm loading, I'm flexing Hulk Hogan. Counted up, that bag on me. Counted up, that bag on me. Walk around with 10 racks on me. I got 2 big stacks and 4 more racks on me. Stay back, boy, I'm loud, I got that pack on me. Way back, any cutie that react to me. Counted up, that bag on me. Counted up, that bag on me. I got 2 big stacks and 4 more racks on me. Counted up, that bag on me. Counted up, that bag on me. I walk around with 10 racks on me. 2 days, ain't sleep yet. On the beach with my feet wet. No reach, you a T-Rex. Slap a nigga off reflex. Like who the hell I gotta meet next?
Back at you. It's your boy Taz, man. We at one of the locations checking up on one of the machines right now. Let's go take a look and see what we busting and what we working with. So we dealing with a combo machine right here.
Oh, what type of machine is this?
This is Seaga Combo, one of the office editions.
What they running for?
This one cost me $35. This one
Okay.
$35.
Oh, you giving out the prices of everything? Okay.
I got it with the location. If you come and check this out, you can see that we just threw that new card reader in there. It's a brand new card reader we got. It's functioning right now off the two antennas right there. One for transactions, one take in data, one push out data. So when you run off the same one.
Okay.
So as you can see, you got a couple of drinks going. I think.
Yeah, it look like it look like you got a little couple of empty spots in there, my boy.
Yeah, we definitely do. Let's look at what the
look like with empty spots. It look like some little money in there. You feel me?
Yeah, let's look at what let's take a look at the money box and see what it's doing now.
Now, how long did it take you? How long have you?
3 weeks.
This is 3 weeks of unattended.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna say 2.5.
2.5 unattended.
Like 60% of this you gotta take into account. It's gonna be credit card machines going.
We gotta take. Okay.
You feel me? 3 weeks. Yeah, that's a decent you dig.
In 3 weeks? You feel me?
You feel me? Couple fives in there.
Okay.
We're gonna count this up. We're gonna give y'all the total count for that, but that's one location.
That's just one.
And
that's not including credit cards. That ain't including credit cards. Are you gonna keep it in there? You ain't gonna take it out?
Yeah, we're gonna take it out. We're gonna take it out.
Okay.
Let's see, change. Show y'all that.
Oh, okay.
Change.
Oh, so it might be that hole?
It might be that hole again. It ain't too bad in this one. I feel like we just got a little bit, so it still might be draining pretty good. But this let me know that we're gonna have to take this out and make sure it's draining. Because this the drip pan, I don't see nothing in the drip pan. So this might have overflowed on another day when it was hot. And it's still sitting in here from there. But it's not dripping down there.
So good sealing for the most part right now.
And there's nothing in that pan. So,
no, it look like it is.
It's a little bit. It's not much though. It's not overflowing. The pan ain't overflowing. So that's something we're gonna have to look at. This is not, you know what I'm saying? That right there gives you an indication of condensation buildup, and then something's fucking with the air, messing with the airflow. No bad drain. That drain block. Let's see. We thought these chicken sandwiches is going to buzz.
Hey man, I swear to God, if y'all know these chicken sandwiches right here, these bitches taste just like Chick-fil-A. Oh my mama, fuck with them. We trying to get an endorsement with y'all Southern Style members mark.
I can tell y'all this cold red. These was selling out there red. I can tell y'all one of these sold out is cold red. Matter of fact, I'm finna tell y'all right now, all the ones that sold out, we're finna figure out exactly which ones sold out. We're finna change all that candy, folks. These super donuts.
It shouldn't be because they cold. Because they cold.
They cold, so yeah.
So they're not gonna mold. Because they cold. They in refrigeration.
So there's stuff like that you gotta watch out for. These coming with us, cause we gonna bang them.
They cold still.
Hey, put another drink. We got a lot of
members mark is what we want. We want an endorsement with y'all. We'll put them in every vending machine. So if y'all looking in,
matter of fact, you wanna just load up the ones we got, the drinks, and then just come right back and load up the candy. So all we got to